Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to change food quality in Planet Zoo. Changing your animal's food quality is an important way to improve their welfare. If their last meal quality isn't rated highly enough, it's time to upgrade their diet. To change the food quality, select one of your habitats, then in the panel on the right, open the Animals tab, represented by the paw icon. Scroll down until you find the food quality setting. Click the green drop-down menu and choose the quality level you want. Once you've changed the setting, your keeper will remove any existing food and replace it with the new quality during the next feeding session. Higher quality food helps improve your animal's nutrition and contributes to their overall welfare, although it also increases your feeding costs. Try to find the right balance between your zoo's budget and your animal's needs. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.